Welcome to the Voxtelesys Portal Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll go over how to add a route profile and how to configure a transfer route. At voxtelesys.com, click on Portal Login. Log into your account. Once you're on the Voxtelesys dashboard, navigate to the SIP Trunks tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Under Trunk Groups, click on the plus sign to the left of PBX DID Inbound. This will drop down two different options, Properties and Routing. Select Routing. To add a route profile, select the green plus sign to the right. Type a description. PBX is used in this example. Click OK when you're finished. Click on the plus sign to the left of your new route profile. This will show a route that can be modified by clicking on the Edit icon under Actions. Select Transfer as your destination type. Transfer routing can be used if you need your phone number transferred to an external number. Under Destination, type in a phone number you want it to transfer to. Select your outbound trunk group from the drop-down. We also offer failover routing, which you'll see in a future video. From the Voxtelesys dashboard, click on the Phone Numbers tab. From here, click on Numbers. You'll be able to modify the route of your number or numbers by selecting the Edit icon under Actions. For the route type, select Standard Routing. Under the route profile, you'll see that our new route profile has been added. Select the new route profile. When you're finished, click OK. Make some test calls to verify that your route is working as expected.